Hi everyone. So today I want to show you how you can use just a few items to create your bun, your favorite bun. I love bun hairstyles, especially on locks, and it's a great style any time of year. And so I want to show you how I achieve buns with my sister locks. So there's three things that you're going to need to do a bun. The first thing I use is a hair tie, and I actually already have one in my hair, as you can see. The next thing you'll need is a hairnet. And so I'm going to show you how I use this. And the last thing you'll need, and this is kind of optional, but you can use some hair, some bobby pins as well. So you'll need that as well. Going back real quick to the hair nets, I was able to get a pack of 3 hair nets for about $1.50, $2. And I was able to get this at my local pharmacy like CVS, Walgreens. You may also be able to pick these up in your grocery store as well. But where you find them is actually just in the hair area. So where you get your your brushes, your hair ties, that's the area where they should also carry these particular hair nets. And the color I got was black since my hair is very, very dark brown. So I would say if there is an option for hairnet color, try to find a hairnet that's closest to your actual natural or whatever hair color you have right now, because that'll just make it look more seamless. And it also will camouflage that you actually are using a hairnet if you can get the hairnet to match your hair color. So let's talk about how to quickly create your bun. So the first step is to make your ponytail. Now, you should make your ponytail where you want your bun to be located. So my bun's gonna be on the top of my head, so that's why I already have a ponytail up top. If you're going to do it lower in the back, you put the ponytail low in the back. If you're going to put it on either side, or hey, both sides, then you want to make your ponytails now. And I've only wrapped mine around just literally one time. So you don't have to make your ponytail really, really tight in order to achieve this look. So that's the first thing you want to do, make your ponytail. The next thing you want to do is kind of position your locks where you want them to be. So I'm going to put mine a little bit towards the back, okay? Next step is we're going to use the hair net. So what you want to do is just literally just like cover your hair. Pretty simple. Just make sure all your locks are in there. Okay, so I got all my locks in there. And then what you want to do, since I want my bun to kind of go towards the back, I'm going to pull the hair net, and there's no hair in here. This is just the net. I'm going to pull, and then I'm going to kind of twirl like this. Again, there's no locks in this part. This is purely just hairnet. And as you pull and twist, you're kind of tightening the hairnet around your locks. So you just want to kind of make that tight. That'll help you get a nice clean look. And when you tighten it as much as you want, you take the hairnet piece and then you can either just simply tuck it underneath the ponytail area of your bun, or if you want to secure it, you can take a bobby pin or two and just pin that part underneath where your bun is, the ponytail is for your bun. And then you can kind of play around with your locks to get them the way you want it. And that's really all you have to do. And you can do this again wherever you want your bun to be positioned, low, on the side, two on the top, however you want to do it. You can, if you do more than one bun, you need more than one hairnet. But just for one bun, all you need is one hairnet and some bobby pins and a hair tie. What I like about adding the kind of the hairnet to a bun, because you don't have to use a hairnet, but what I like is it kind of, I guess, refines the look a little bit, because our locks have such beautiful kind of whirls and twirls and bumps and things, and that's just a part of having locks. And I feel like a hairnet kind of smooths, it gives the illusion of smoothing all that out. So you really don't see, you don't really get all the lumps and a bump. It just makes it really smooth. Another reason why I like using a hairnet for a bun is that it's not tight on my lock. So when I do a bun using just a hair tie, I tend to have to tighten that hair tie some to get it to hold everything together. The hairnet does that for me, so I don't have to put anything with a lot of tension on my locks, because the hairnet just kind of gathers everything up. And when I tighten that hairnet with the twist, then it kind of pulls everything together. So I hope you really like this very simple, easy, quick style. And let me know in the comments below if you have other things that you use to create great buns or great updo hairstyles. And I'll talk to you soon. Take care.